brother had it for the entire thing.
Oh wait, no, it actually is Friday. You want to try it? This is
It's 5 minutes.
Yeah,
We're leaving.
Yep.
I love them. Oh, I love getting him.
Look at the donkeys. Donkey.
Done.
Flush 'em.
Texas
Matt,
Longhorn.
you're a couch potato. You're sitting down and eating.
They're the.
Yeah.
Oh, they're so cute.
We drove up to Johnson's Hater House before. That was amazing. I love
Matthew, there's an ostrich coming toward you.
Oh, ostrich.
Part of the alpaca.
Ostrich.
It might be. It might
Oh,
be
he's
under
taking a
vet
poop.
supervision.
Hey,
Getting
don't
shots.
film. He's taking a poop. He's really taking a poop. He's taking a poop. It's the woods.
If I see $20,
Seahawk. In this next area, we have llamas, not alpacas, and some white-tailed deer.
There's tons of broken down trains over there. Here.
If you look through the trees to your left, you can see the deer.
No, but I told you.
And hanging out by the fence is an ostrich. To your left, we have Indian.
There's a bathtub.
I don't know, but it's pretty. You said you didn't like to make that.
Coming up on your left, we have blackbuck and ostrich. And on the right, we have
There's gonna be porcupines inside of our ranch. They would make it awesome, oh, baby! Chicken leg!
Ew. What is that thing?
That's oh, that was a bad smell.
Oh, it's a zebra butt! I see a zebra butt. There's a zebra butt over there. Yeah, I saw it.
Are you a cuckoo clock? Your mouth says you are.
Cuckoo, cuckoo.
So was mine.
So mean.
I know. I
I was right. It's
I
a clock.
want a pool. I know. Get me a pool. Sequin phone. Exactly. I don't know. Exactly. I don't need stuff from you. That was worth $2.
Right.
I just need that on pool. There's worth $5. Oh, and that deep pressure is. My anti-fun husband. He's gonna collide with the other one. And if he dies, I'm gonna have 100 cats. It's that thing. Because I'll haunt you. I'm like, that's
I'll
fine.
haunt you.
That's fine. The cats won't do anything. Cats won't care. Oh, there's a water. Oh, there's streams of water coming from over there. Oh, hello. Hello. We hear you.
Drop my foot. We're all good.